My name is Angelica Nava, and I am the head of EH&S. I support the Los Angeles site, and we are within the Plasma Operating Unit. It's evident the moment you walk onto the site that there's a strong commitment to protecting the planet and to sustainability. I think what I'm most proud of at the site is the continual improvement mindset. We have at the Los Angeles site a program called Shark Tank. It is an initiative that was started some years ago to really help drive engagement at the site level as it relates to sustainability and water conservation. So we look for employees within the facility to submit ideas, and hopefully in the next few years we'll see a reduction of about 75% of our water just from being able to reuse it and put it back into our process. There was an idea that didn't cost any money to implement. It was process control changes that needed to be implemented. So we do cleaning in place of our process equipment, and it was optimizing the process in which we do cleaning. So programming change within our system. From that, we were able to reduce about 2 million gallons of water annually. My daughter, she's 5, and she definitely asks a ton of questions. Mommy, what do you do at work? And she's so curious about learning more about recycling and what are we doing to protect the planet. There's always something that I can tell her about what we're doing to, make it safe for them.